Hey everybody, what's up? It's Jedds, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got these natural beach wave curls. The clamp is always going to face the front. I'm going to make sure it's about an inch away from the bottom of my hair and clamp it. Now I'm always going to go towards the back. So whatever opposite direction of me is the way I'm going to go. And pull it down. Now, one thing I do is I don't touch it. It's warm, so I want it to keep the curl, so then I just put it in the back. Look at that curl! Oh my god, curls like that just make me so happy. So I'm just gonna take my Beachwaver, put the clamp down, and remember it's always facing the front. And then the arrow is always gonna go this way. So you're gonna always wanna go towards the back. And sometimes I will actually curl my hair at night just so that way I can sleep on it. And I'll just make it like extra curly and then sleep on it, and it'll like come out like really like wavy. Since my hair is straight as a board, sometimes I like to beach wave it literally just to put it up in a bun. I know that sounds like so much effort, but I feel like curly hair does better in a bun, and straight hair just, nah. It just slides right out of a bun. Like Victoria's Secret. Thanks for watching. Love y'all.